Hi, and welcome to Your Perfect Day. Today in our health segment, we're going to talk about Candida, and many people are a bit confused and frustrated about what exactly is Candida. And a lot of people go to healthcare professionals for all kinds of illnesses, and they just don't seem to get well. And if that's you, then you need to listen to today's program, because there are many patients that will call and say they're having certain symptoms, but they just can't seem to get rid of it. And they've gone to so many healthcare professionals, they've run tests, the test results shows that it's normal, that everything is okay, but they're still sick. So today we want to look at one of the culprits, and that's Candida albicans. What exactly is Candida? Well, Candida is in the family of a fungus. It's a yeast, and that's when the doctor says you have a yeast infection, it's more than that. It's a member of the fungi group, like I said, and Candida can actually cause diseases. It's a yeast infection, of course, is one of those symptoms that it will provide. It's present. Now, you have Candida present in most of all of us at a very minute amount, but when it begins to grow into thousands and millions and is unchecked and out of control, that's when it creates diseases. A lot of times when you go to your